treat for y'all tonight. We got some good old banana pudding with the twist. Everybody loves some banana pudding. I know I do, because that's one of mommy favorites. But today we're gonna switch it up how we normally do on this channel. Switch it up, and we're gonna make a banana pudding milkshake. So I know it may seem like a lot of ingredients, but trust me, it's nothing to it. Once we start, everything is for something different, and it's so easy. Got these cute cups from the dollar store. Oh my goodness, I almost died when I seen these cups, y'all, but they are so cute and heavy duty. So this is gonna be mommy and daddy cup, you know, mama and papa bear. And then we have the kid size cups, which is for the little beds, and they got this cute little handle on there. Oh my goodness, I grabbed 3 of these and I got 2 of those big cups. I cannot wait. Let's see how this banana pudding milkshake is going to come out. I don't want to keep y'all waiting, so let's go. I already made this pudding because y'all, honestly, we made a test batch before doing this video, because I want to make sure I came to y'all with this video right. And this was our first time making this banana pudding milkshake, and oh my god, just wait. Bananas have these vanilla wafer minis. These are perfect because they'll be able to go into the small cups. These are smaller size wafers. You know, it goes perfectly, so why not? I need some milk. And yes, the kids have been drinking up all this milk. I have some more in the refrigerator just in case, but this should be enough just to get this video going. This is some whole milk, some vanilla ice cream. And when I tell you guys that it's so hard to keep these items on hand when it's time to make a video, because everybody wants to eat it up and drink it up before I can actually make the videos. So let's, you know, hurry up and make this so the family can be happy. But this is some original vanilla ice cream. Now you can use whipped cream on top to make this milkshake, but why not take it a step further and add some meringue on top, which is my favorite thing. Instead of the whipped cream, we're gonna add that meringue and get it nice and brown and goldeny. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's so simple. And I crushed up some vanilla wafers. We're gonna put that on the outside of the edge of the glass, because you know we have to be extra, y'all. You know, if we want to present this milkshake, why not make it look nice and fancy and cute? So this is going to go on the outside of your milkshake. And to make those cookies stick on the outside of the glass, we still have some leftover cream cheese icing from our Pizza Hut brownies. So that was right on time. I saved the last little bit of icing, and we're going to use that, and it works so good. And of course, you're going to need some straws to make sure you drink that milkshake down nice and good. I really wanted to get the thick, big straws, so whatever straws you guys want to use, that is fine. Or you don't even need a straw. You know how it is when you get a good, nice sundae and you just have that syrup on top. So why not? We're gonna do the same thing with this banana pudding milkshake. We'll add some caramel to it, and it's so good. So let's go ahead and add our ice. It's nothing like making a milkshake if it's not cold, right? Although we're gonna add our ice cream, daddy likes a nice cold milkshake, so we're gonna go ahead and add that ice to it. And we're gonna go ahead and put a couple scoops of this ice cream, and you can use whatever vanilla you want. Just gonna do 3. I've never seen this milkshake done before other than me making it, but I know that Chick-fil-A and other places may have this milkshake, so you may see it done a little different, but this is our way of doing it, so I hope you like it this way. Add some bananas. Alright. And then these mini cookies, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of those. Now, for me, with banana pudding, I'm a cookie girl, so I love more cookies than anything. If you love more bananas, comment down below, but if you love more cookies, let me know too. But I'm a cookie girl, so I'm gonna make sure I add enough cookies. We're just gonna add enough milk at the bottom just to mix it all up. You don't need too much milk. Okay, probably about a half a cup. Put your top on it, and look, that's pretty much half of the ingredients right there. So the main thing right now is want to make sure all that ice gets nice and, you know, melted up good. So it looks like it. I'm going to give it one more test run. Alright, so it's looking good, and you can go ahead and taste it right here and make sure it has enough banana flavor for you. Some people in this stage go ahead and put the vanilla pudding inside the mix, but we're not going to do it that way, y'all. We're just going to do it a different way. Something that's done our way. So keep watching. The main thing you want to do is just separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. You're not going to want any more whipped cream on top. When they say the trick is when you can hold it over top like this and it doesn't come out, it's done. So let's go ahead and decorate our glass to get that nice and cute. You're just going to take your glass and you want something that's going to be nice and sticky, you know, something that's going to make sure that cookies stay around that rim. So if you want to use royal icing, you can use royal icing, but this is what we got today and it actually worked out good. Cute. Alright, so we got that done. It's not going to look, you know, too much fancy right now, but this is the glue that's going to hold the cookies around the rim and run it around. And as you do it, just pat it along the edges just to make sure it stays. Crumble, and you just want to pat it around, you know, just put as much as you like on the rim. Now from here we just want to take some of this syrup and just try to, like, you know, run it around in the edge of the cup, y'all. Okay, so that way when you put your ice cream and your, you know, your goodness in it, it's running down the sides of that milkshake. You know how it is when you go to your Silver Diner or McDonald's or wherever it is you go to have a good milkshake and that syrup is just running down the edge of the glass. We go do the same thing at home. The same thing. More flavor. And then look, the caramel is just all the way at the bottom. This is the caramel sauce, y'all. So you know it's going to be good. It smells so good already. This smells like bananas. We're going to try to layer this like a regular banana pudding, but let's do it in this form of a milkshake. Go in with a little bit of milkshake, okay? And I know it may not be perfect, but just do it the best way you can. Because I'm going to do it the best way I can. As a mini wafers, they really are tiny. And just put them in. Try to put them as close to the edge. Now because the liquid is a little, you know, jiggly, it's not going to stay on the edge like I want it to, which is fine. Say I'm a cookie girl when it comes to banana pudding, so the more cookies I taste in it, the better. Let's take some of our pudding. Just stir it up a little bit. Our pudding, yes, just think of it as a layered banana pudding shape. That's what we're making, y'all. Let's put it in the middle. Now, like I said, a lot of people do this differently where they add their pudding to the ice cream, but I want to make it like an actual banana pudding milkshake. So let's go in with some more. Now don't forget the banana. Let's cut a few slices of those. A little bit more pudding. And with the pudding, just try to spread it evenly, you know. It's not going to go all the way around, but just enough. Now the cookie's going to sink down to the bottom, y'all, so don't worry. So the cookies is right there, okay? This is the last layer of our shake. And you see these cookies that floated to the top. Now what I also have is these vanilla wafer cookies just to make it look pretty. You know, we always gotta make it look pretty, y'all. I put one cookie here. And so let's put one cookie there. Now to put the meringue in the bag so we can pipe it on top of our smoothie, you're going to need a Ziploc bag or a piping bag. And what you're going to do is just cook it out like this and add our meringue. And I got a surprise for you of how we get that meringue all nice and brown and cute. See, all my bakers know about this plastic bag like this. And just fold it on the inside. This is kind of like about piping bag. Voila. Ooh. And then oh yeah. Now we just want to go in and decorate it. Alright, so I'm just going to put some cookies around the rim. So good. Making a mess, but that's okay. It's nothing we can't clean up. And just put a little bit of the banana right there on top. Ooh. Give this thing some color. Oh yeah. This is one of Daddy gadgets. So we're going to go ahead and use his little gadgets. You know, this is one of those things you use if you're making that creme brulee. But we're not making creme brulee. We're making some banana pudding milkshakes. Some heat. And just go ahead and just brown this meringue a little bit. Oh yes. Caramelize that banana too. Bam. What we're gonna do just a little bit. Oh. The best banana pudding milkshake. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, we did it. Just go ahead and take a sip. Here you go. Just take a sip. I swear, it's a banana pudding in your mouth. Oh my goodness, y'all. That meringue topping is so much better than that Cool Whip topping. I'm telling you, if you just have 2 extra minutes to make that meringue topping, do that. You will be so much more happier. That has a cute little handle. You can hold it. Your hands won't get all sticky or tired. If you want to add a cherry right on top, right there, just go ahead and add a cherry on top. But if not, just go ahead and take a sip right now. And I'm telling you, you will fall back in your seat because this banana pudding milkshake is nothing to play with, y'all. I'm telling you. Don't need more ice. Just put however much you want to. Kids making theirs now, y'all. These are the little size cups. You can see how that looks. There. Who, Grandma? Yeah, she was sitting. Oh, you can cut this piece of banana up. You want some bananas in there? You was able to taste it though.
Do I do this one now?
Yes.
So like, how do I do
No,
it?
put your cookie crumble.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was his. They had last night. Oh, here's a pudding.
But I still do.
Put it on the side. Oh, yeah. There you go. Just turn. Say twice on the last. Is it a banana? The chocolate one? You go here. Oh, there's so much bananas I heard though. I'm telling you, it's nothing but the truth. So go ahead and try this dish. Go ahead and, you know, like and comment, and then tag us on Instagram if you do make this banana pudding milkshake. Guys, you know we love to hear from you.